Biology MCQs. MCQs number 1. Range of wavelength of electromagnetic rays for killing microorganism lies below 300 nm. C is correct. MCQs number 2. Reverse food of cyanobacteria is stored in form of glycogen. Option C is correct. Glycogen. Green sulfur bacteria are photosynthetic. Option A is correct. Photosynthetic. MCQs number 4. By nature, pili are hollow non-helical filamentous. All of them is correct. Respiratory enzymes are present in cell wall. Option B is correct. Cell wall. Shape of pleomorphic bacteria is spherical, rod-shaped or helical. All of them is correct. Cyanobacteria are produced by binary fission. Option C is correct. Binary fission. Microbial growth can be controlled by antiseptic, disinfectant, chemotherapy. All of them is correct. Oxygen is needed for respiration of aerobic bacteria. Option A is correct. Aerobic bacteria. Pili are composed of pylene. Option B is correct. Pylene. MCQs number 11. Nitrogen fixation is performed by heterocyst. Option A is correct. Shape of coccus is spherical. Option A is correct. Spherical. Cytoplasmic matrix is present between plasma membrane and nucleoid. Option C is correct. MCQs number 14. Nature of disinfectant is oxidizing and reducing. Both A and B is correct. Oxygen is not needed for respiration of anaerobic bacteria. B is correct. Anaerobic bacteria. Pili take part in reproduction. Option B is correct. Reproduction. Examples of population indicator is oscillatoria. D is correct. Shape of bacillus is rod shaped. B is correct. Rod shaped. Procedure to reduce or eliminate the possibility of infection are termed as antisepsis. Option C is correct. MCQs number 20. Protoplasm consists of both A and B. Plasma membrane structure inside plasma membrane. C is correct. Low oxygen concentration is required for microaerophilic bacteria. D is correct. Cell involved of bacterial cell is made of all of them. Capsule, cell wall, saline. Trichomes of nostoc contain no branch. Option D is correct. No branch. Shape of spirilla is a helical. Option C is correct. Helical. Vaccine for hydrophobia was found in Pasteur. Option C is Pasteur. Hydrophobia was made by Pasteur. Bacteria DNA consists of two strands. D is correct. Two strands. Example of an bacterium is a Pseudomonas. A is correct. Pseudomonas. MCQs number 28. Capsule of bacteria is composed of all of them. Polysaccharide, protein, both A and B, all of them is correct. One plane is present in Streptococcus. Option A is correct. Streptococcus bacteria. Shape of Nostoc cell is all of them. Spherical, barrel shape or cylindrical shape. All of them is correct. Antibiotics are originated from living cells. Option A is correct. Living cells. Shape of bacteria of DNA is circular. B is correct. Circular. Slime is composed of macromolecules. Color of heterocyst is light yellow. Option B is correct. Two planes are present in tetrad. B is correct. Example of anaerobic bacteria is Spirochaeta. Option B is correct. MCQs number 37. Allergic reaction occur due to misuse of penicillin. Option C is correct. Penicillin. Name of chromosomes in bacterial cell is N. Option A is correct. N. Osmotic lysis is avoided by cell wall. Sexual reproduction is absent in Gnostic. C is correct. 3 planes are present in Sarcina. Option B is C is correct. Sarcina. Discolorization of teeth occur due to misuse of tetracycline. Example of facultative bacterium is E. coli. Plasmids are composed of DNA. Cell wall is absent in Mycoplasmas. B is correct. Example of bloom forming organism is Oscillatoria. Number of cocci present in Saccharina are 4. Auditory nerve is affected by misuse of streptomycin. Example of macroaerophilic bacteria is Campylobacter. C, D is correct. Campylobacter. Plasmids an important role in immunity. Option C is correct. Immunity.